The judge overseeing Donald Trump's federal election interference case made a barbed comment about Elon Musk in a hearing about access to the former president's Twitter account, according to court documents. Newly unsealed court transcripts, released on Tuesday, reveal that special counsel Jack Smith requested Mr. Trump's direct messages, searches and draft tweets from the social media platform earlier this year. In a hearing, held on February 9, prosecutors and lawyers for Twitter sparred over the terms of the request. At one point, a Twitter lawyer argued that the platform should be allowed to give Mr. Trump advance warning that they would be handing over the records to Mr. Smith's office. It was an argument that led to a frosty response from D.C. District Court Judge Beryl Howell, who questioned why Twitter, which has since rebranded as X, would wish to take such an extraordinary step. Is it because the new CEO wants to cozy up with the former president? She asked about Musk. It emerged last week that Mr. Smith's office was granted a search warrant back in January to access Mr. Trump's Twitter account as part of its federal criminal investigation into his efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election. But, while the judge granted the request for the warrant, Twitter fought against it for months. Mr. Musk's company argued that it had a First Amendment right to tell Mr. Trump about the search warrant, despite it being common practice in law enforcement investigations for warrants to include non-disclosure orders barring the subject of the search from being informed in advance. Ultimately, Judge Howell sided with Mr. Smith's office, ordering Twitter to comply with the search warrant and hitting the platform with fines.